Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video I try to do a predator rod wrap. It's going to be a little school of fish with a big fish chasing the school. My buddy Dinasty Rod Customs, you guys know him, I'll throw a link in the description. He did a little short and it had 4 fish inside a box, and then in this little stripe it had another little fish. So I commented on his short and said challenge accepted. So I decided to try outdoing that rod wrap, and in this video is what was the outcome of it. I will not do that again, I'm going to tell you that right now. This video, I had 5 hours and 15 minutes of footage making this rod wrap. This first part we're going to do is going to be just, there's so much footage I'll never be able to get it into one video. So this first video, part 1, will be the school of fish. I'm going to make the 4 little fish, and then the next video we will add the predator chasing the school of fish. It came out really good. I was impressed on how it come out, but this thing was a nightmare to do. Using size 8 thread, actually it's just sewing machine thread from Walmart. The color choice came out really good. I think you guys will like it. I'll speed up a lot of this process like I always do. We are going to be adding a members page to where people can subscribe, and like the gold members will be able to watch all these videos, every rod wrap from the time, you know, like this one and a bunch of my other ones that I still have access to. I'm going to do all unedited footage so that you can follow along and actually do the rod wrap. I know it's so hard to follow along. I get a lot of complaints about that when I'm fast forwarding it like this, but it's so hard to get all the footage into a 15-20 minute video. It's just impossible. So I am going to be offering that to members, and you know, get other perks and stuff. We'll have members live night where we do like rod building classes and stuff like that. A bunch of guys that do rod building get on together and talk about techniques and stuff like that. It's all future stuff, but the membership is open, and we're going to start adding those videos anytime on there. This one will be one of the first few that are going on. But I'm going to fast forward this and just show you some of the process of how I came about this. But for future reference, all I can tell you is do not challenge your mentor. At some point the student surpasses the teacher, but this is the guy that got me into rod wrapping, and he is like phenomenal. I had no business challenging him. I was pleased with the way my rod came out. You guys can go to his video, his short, and I just did a short of my video, or my predator rod wrap, and you can look at the both of them, but you can see what inspired my wrap. Don't forget, smash that like button, leave a comment, share the video, that helps out, subscribe to the channel. We're growing fast. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna let you get right into this video. as you can tell, each one of these points is the nose of the fish. There's going to be 4 fish. And instead of making them all one solid color, I decided to two-tone them. I'm using sort of like a shiny blue and like a shiny metallic purple. I think that'll look really good together. Depending on the way the light hits it, they're like different colors. And you know how fish are like that in the water, depending on how the light is hitting them. It looks really cool. And you can see the fish starting to develop here. we're just going to clean up these threads here. This is about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours of video clips all squeezed together and fast forward, because it would be too hard to put all this into one video. It'd be impossible. So just going to clean this up, and then I'm going to show you a close-up of what this looks like. This is the first part of the Predator rod wrap. This is just the little fish, and then in this black space, of the black in between them, we're going to make a big fish, the Predator, chasing these little fish. But this is the basics of it right now, and you'll be able to see as it comes together in part 2. I hate doing a two-part video, but unfortunately I have no other choice with this. There's no way I'm squeezing 5 hours into one video and not skipping things. But I will be making this into a full-blown step-by-step how to do video for my some of my members, and I'm going to see if I can't figure out how to, on the top of the screen, to show you like the color threads as they go across in like a 3D animation or something. It's just something I would love to learn how to do. I do not know how to do it yet, but I would love to learn how to do that. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video. For those of you that made it this far, which only 33% of you do, it's common knowledge. I'd like to thank you very much. You guys are the true supporters of the channel, the ones that watch it all the way through. And give me a day or so, and I'll have part 2 to this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. The channel is growing because of you. And there's no other excuse, because I'm not very good at videoing, editing, or audio. So, I mean, it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.